FAA fines can crush operators. Before a drone cleaning job leaves the ground, clearance and airspace checks have to be part of the setup. When you're positioning yourself as a professional operation and you're going into a facility that is used to seeing professional operations, they got two guys on the site. Does the pilot safety vest identify him as a pilot? A lot of folks, they do. I mean, this is not groundbreaking. A lot of guys have the vest on that says, remote pilot, fly, whatever. Don't talk to me.
Yeah.
Does your ground guy?
Yeah.
Does his vest say ground guy? Does it matter if he's not the ground guy? No. Does your safety guy?
Yeah.
Do you have a designated safety guy? Let's say you don't. You could easily get a guy, one of your guys, and say, all right, you're the designated safety guy. Have him identified on the job site. It makes you look better.
Yeah, it does.
Even if he's not the expert. Let's say everybody on site has the same level of safety knowledge. At least he is identified in the customer's eyes as the point man.
Mm-hmm.
Now, he may not have to have the answer, which he doesn't. He's carrying the message.
Mm-hmm.
Now, hey, dude, the facility manager has a concern about this. It's just giving the facility manager a point person. That's it. Somebody to talk to.
Yeah.
And if it's not the facility manager, which they probably know you, they're going to come talk to you. That person walking by that has a concern, or maybe they have something they want to tell you. Hey, man, I saw this. You may want to watch out for it. I don't know what it could be.
Yeah.
Anything. I saw this. You may want to watch out for it. That you're giving that person the visual of there's the person I need to go talk to in the operation.
Yeah.
And I would say your safety guy can be your observer as well. I think
Yeah.
that kills two birds with one stone. Okay, SDF sheets, chemical handling notes when relevant, which you should have that already. Proof of insurance, Part 107 status in any needed operational document should have that. Pre-job photos, post-job photos, and short closeout summary. And I did it again. I'm sitting here reading these and I'm like, yeah, you need to have these present. No, this is going back to the actual proposal. You are having copies of all that stuff already there. You're covering every basis
All
person
bases,
that
yeah.
he could ever dream of. And in that facility manager and property manager, property owner's eyes, you got your crap together.
Yeah.
And all these things that, they need to be done. We do. So there are just a couple. I'm like, oh man, that's easy. Yeah, we should do that. Okay. Few safety innovations drone cleaners can add without overbuilding your branded drone cleaning in progress sign, which we got a couple of them. They got busted up. So I'm ordering new ones. And I learned that the little plastic triangle ones are great. Sometimes they blow over, especially when we get in the winds that we get. A lot of times they get knocked over. You're dragging a hose and you don't realize you knocked it over. Get some that can pop on a door. Like I was saying, little bubble stick, which we do on a lot of glass doors for some reason.
Yeah.
Pop it on the door. Easy peasy. Go put it on the doors outside of the zones. So you're giving everybody in the building
heads up.
Plenty of acknowledgement and heads up. This one, I don't know. Color coded zones for a spray zone, equipment zone, pedestrian zone. I want to see that applied a little more. It did make some sense to me, but maybe I'm a visual person with that. Laminated pre-flight and site safety checklists. Yeah, I could see.
Lucid makes us go through our own checklist on
Sure.
the deal, and I have at times attempted to throw the remote, and then I remember how expensive it is, so I don't throw the remote, but we do go through a pre-flight checklist.
Especially when you're
every time.
sweating and
It's like the 14th flight of the day.
You haven't went and drank some water, or you need to go pee real bad, just trying to get another flight in, and you just can't hit that thing just right. Yeah. Yep. Very aware. Follow Flyby Shine for real drone cleaning lessons from the field. Subscribe before you buy gear or quote your next job.